welcome back. If you don't know who I am, I'm Tkeyah. That means you're probably not subscribed, so make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button. Join the fam. We talk about hair, we talk about skin. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can catch some of these tips. Let's get into it. So as of late, I've been getting a lot of comments about my hair growth. If you guys aren't familiar, I had a couple of haircuts. One in particular was a disaster, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. I have a couple of things that I want to share with you guys. So the first thing is actually what I'm wearing on my face. So I have Glossier's Halo Scope in Topaz right here. You see that? I have it down my nose and then on my Cupid's bow, and right there to just accentuate my lip. I also have Jam from their Generation G lipstick. I have that on my lips. So if you guys are interested, I have a 20% off code down in the description box. I also wanted to mention, and this is really exciting, I had the opportunity to work with Self Magazine for a 3-part series centered around natural hair. The first part has gone live, so you guys can go check that out. I'll link it in the description box. You can also find it on my Twitter and my Instagram. I was featured with some other natural hair bloggers, one in particular being Whitney from Natural 85, and she was one of the reasons why I started my channel 5+ years ago, so that was so awesome. Now the third and final thing that I wanted to get out of the way before I hop into the video is a Google Doc that I created for you guys in the description box. So if you go to that Google Doc and you fill it out, you'll be able to tell me what you like about my channel, what videos you like the most. You'll also be able to comment and leave suggestions. I have some really exciting projects and things coming out very soon, and I want you guys to know when those things come out. Like I mentioned, I have been getting mad comments about my hair growth. You guys are seeing that my hair is growing, my curls are flourishing, and you guys really want to know what I've been doing. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what I've been doing to grow my hair out. I know this intro was mad long, so let's just hop into the video. So the first thing that I do is I pre-poo for about an hour with my hair covered. You can pre-poo a few different ways. You can actually put things onto your scalp, and I've talked about this in the past, but scalp health is the most important when it comes to your hair. That is where your hair grows from. So lately I've been using the Scalp Treatment for normal scalp by the Innate Life, and it says it's for intense hydration and repair. You guys, I have been using this consistently for about 3 or so weeks, and I noticed that when I use it, first of all, you get that really nice, refreshing, stimulating sensation, which I love because I know my follicles are being activated. Like someone's shaking them like, wake up, wake up. You guys remember me talking about Ayurveda on my channel and getting into those herbs and henna and curly proverbs, hair growth oil and all of that. And this is a really simple way to incorporate those herbs and oils into your regimen. So 2 of the herbs that I want to highlight that are actually in this scalp treatment. Bringraj has a lot of vitamin C and amino acids, and it's very strengthening for your scalp and those follicles. So that's gonna ensure that the hair that grows out of your scalp is growing in as strengthened as possible, so then you're not dealing with a lot of split ends, a lot of breakage, a lot of shedding and hair fall. And then there's also Shikaikai in this mix, which is just amazing. These are both beasts at hair growth and strengthening the scalp. I really like Shikaikai because it has a low pH and it's similar to aloe vera juice, which you guys already know I'm obsessed with aloe vera for my skincare, but I also love aloe vera on my hair. Now, because it has that low pH similar to aloe vera juice, it helps with curl formation, and the blend of all of these herbs and oils are amazing for hair growth. So that, along with actually stimulating my scalp, has really helped. So in this mix, I've got some coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil, some olive oil, and some rosemary essential oil, and probably some tea tree, rosemary or tea tree. And I'm just going to take this and put this on my hair. So my scalp is covered. Now I'm just going to take some of this, not too much, because I've been coconut oiling my hair, and so I'm just not gonna overdo it. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this mainly on the end. That's where I wanna focus it, because this is pre-pooing. So we're preparing our hair for the shampoo process and to cleanse it. So the whole point is to make sure not all of our natural moisture and oils and sebum is stripped out of our hair. So I've been pre-pooing for probably a couple of hours. So for my deep conditioner mix, I have my mango butter deep conditioner that I used in my last video. So make sure you guys check that video out to see the full recipe. So I used what was left of that mix, and I added a couple of more conditioners, and then also a little bit of this mask that I got from Bell Bar. One of the things that I do and that has worked so well for my hair and my skin is listening to what it's telling me. So right now my hair feels weighed down. So these two moisturizing shampoos that I usually mix together, I don't think they're gonna do the best job at clarifying my hair. So what I'm gonna do is do a Rhassoul shampoo clarifying wash. And that's one of my favorite ways to clarify my hair and to still leave it moisturized. So it doesn't fully strip the hair, but it'll get it a lot cleaner than these two shampoos will do. So just listen to your hair. All right, so I have all the ingredients behind me. I use aloe vera juice, water, Rhassoul Clay, and then 2 essential oils. So I'm going to make the mix now. I use a 1/4 cup of Rhassoul Clay, and I made my own DIY funnel with this piece of paper. I use tape, okay? Do what you do, use what you have. So then I'm using 1/2 cup of aloe vera juice, 1/2 cup of water, 5 drops of peppermint, and 5 drops of rosemary. Who gonna run up on who and do what? I think y'all got the story screwed up.
I can't hear the bar, is you nuts?
And I don't want your punk ass name. I'm too tough. I'm the one that's killing shit, hands down. If you got a problem with me, say it now. Let's try this again. I'm getting my ass back in the shower. I'm sure you guys can tell that I'm just beyond happy and ecstatic about my hair. Wow. So I typically would use a color applicator bottle, but they were all full with my oil concoctions. I just used this old Jessie Curl bottle and it worked pretty well for me. But this Rhassoul Clay wash is amazing. I get it all over my scalp first. I do 1 full application of the wash on my scalp and I massage that in. This also contributes to growth. I realize that I do scalp massages pretty much every single step aside from deep conditioning. So that really aids in growth. And then I'm using essential oils like rosemary and peppermint to activate my hair follicles. So once I do 1 full wash, I rinse my hair out. After rinsing, I actually split my hair and I do a second wash. And this wash is a little bit more thorough. I split my hair and I really work the product into not only my scalp, but also down the length of my hair. Because it doesn't strip my natural oils, I feel comfortable actually running it through my ends and through the length of my hair. I am all done washing my hair. It is fully cleansed. I finished using all of the Rhassoul Clay wash like you guys saw. So now I'm taking the mango butter deep conditioner with the other stuff in it and it's nice and warm. I'm not going to show all of this process because like I said, I have a full video, a detailed video with me applying it, with me making the actual deep conditioner mix and warming it up. So definitely make sure you guys check that video out. So this wash day is about growth, right? One of the tips that I would have for you guys is make sure you're actually getting any moisturizing products or deep conditioners on all of your hair. The way that I do that is I just split my hair in half this way and then I apply the product inside. I know a lot of times we just get the outer parts of our hair, just the perimeter, but make sure you're actually working in your moisturizers and your deep conditioners into the middle. Look, it's like silk. Oh, yes. This is how much of that deep conditioner I have left, so quite a bit. And I like to just roll over my deep conditioner, so I will use this on my next wash day, which will be Sunday. So my hair definitely sucked up that deep conditioner, and that is why it is so important to clarify your hair. Because if you're just putting deep conditioner on top of product buildup, oils, whatever, silicones or whatever's in your hair, you're not actually getting the full benefits and all those nutrients to all of your strands. So now I'm gonna take this oil mix, one of my mini mixtures. This is almond oil, Jamaican black castor oil, rosemary, tea tree. Once I'm done with my scalp massage, I actually rinse my hair one last time, just in case any of the oil actually coated my strands, because the moisturizer I put on after, I really want that to soak into my strands. I'm using the Curl and Style Milk. You guys know that's my favorite moisturizer. It is my Old Faithful, and as you see, I actually split my hair and apply the moisturizer, which is so important. Your hair won't grow at the same rate, and all of it won't be as healthy if you only moisturize or deep condition the outer parts of your hair. So as you can see, I don't use a ton of product, but I use enough to make sure that my hair is moisturized. And then I take some coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil, and I just go ahead and apply that to pretty much the ends of my hair, and that's about it. So I'm finally out of the shower. Now I'm going to take my hair out. So what I did last time that actually worked really well is I wrapped my hair in this Fashion Nova bodysuit. My hair has been sitting in this bodysuit this jumpsuit for maybe an hour, probably less. So that's my updated wash day routine for hair growth. If you guys enjoyed this video, please share it to get the word out. I hope these tips were helpful for you guys. Check the description box so you can find the Google Doc form I mentioned in the intro, and also so you can check out that blog post for natural hair tips that I was featured in. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.